is so cute. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, wow. Oh, hi there. It's Christine, CEO at Chalk Couture. I'm just checking out some of the Mystery Boost transfers that we are adding to starter kits all month long in April. When you become a Chalk Couture independent designer this month with our standard starter kit shown here, you get everything you see on this table to start your own DIY decor brand, plus a surprise. We're adding a Mystery Boost transfer in our popular 8.5 by 11 inch size to your kit. That's a bonus of nearly $15 US or $20 Canadian retail, and there are dozens of designs featured. What fave will you get? Plus, 5 lucky April enrollees will get a super boost in their kits, a golden ticket worth more than $150 US or $200 Canadian in free products and retail value. Who's gonna get these golden tickets? Why not you? There's always more in store at Chalk Couture, and we can't wait to share all the chalky goodness with you. Talk to your independent designer or visit chalkcouture.com to join now.